Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dimma Tutorials. Dimma Tutorials is an educational channel here on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. In today's video, I want us to look at post UTME past questions on use of English. Before we start, I need you to know there's another channel, Dimma Tutorials Online School, and Dimma Tutorials Online School is for every subject. I have other teachers who are handling the other subjects, okay? Dimma Tutorials Online School is my second channel. Please make sure you visit it and subscribe to the channel, okay?
So today we're going to start with Uni Abuja. Choose the option that best completes the sentence. We watched the woman as she stood up and dashed herself more comfortably. We watched the woman as she stood up and dashed herself more comfortably. We have option A, recited, B, recite, C, recite, and D, recited. Okay, the act of sitting down after rising is recite, and the past tense of it is recited. And this makes option A the correct answer, not option D. Okay, option A, recited, Receated. This is a correct answer. Okay, the act of standing up and sitting back down is receipt. Now let's see another one. We have the noise from the record seller's workshop dash on my ears. The noise from the record seller's workshop dash on my ears. We have option A, jazz, B, jazz, C, jams, and D, jab. When a sound disturbs your ears, when a sound offends your ears, you say that the sound jars your ears. So the expression jar someone's ears means to offend the person's ears. It doesn't give a listening pleasure. Okay, it makes the person listening to it uncomfortable. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Now the next one, the military governor upheld the decision of the cabinet. The military governor upheld the decision of the cabinet. We have option A. Here we are supposed to choose the option that is opposite in meaning to the underlined word, okay? And the underlined word in this sentence is upheld. We have B, undercut, C, maintained, and D, abolished. Now, to oppose something means to support something, to confirm something. That's what it means to uphold something, and the past of it is upheld. Sorry, guys, my baby wants to join us, okay? So he's going to stop crying. She's going to join us to the end of the video. Sorry, stop crying. Now, like I was saying, we have option A, held up, B, undercut, C, maintained, and D, abolished. The correct answer to this question is option D, abolished. The word abolished means to, put an end to something. Okay, to abolish a law means to put an end to a law. To uphold a law means to support a law. Okay, to confirm it, to support it. The correct answer to this question is option D. Abolish is the word that's opposite in meaning to the word uphold. Now we have the next question. We have Chidi is naturally taciturn. Chidi is naturally taciturn, and the underlying word is taciturn. Now, a taciturn person is a person that does not talk much, someone who is unlively, someone who likes to stay on his own, someone who is reserved is a taciturn person, a person who doesn't speak much. Now, the word that's opposite in meaning to the word taciturn is lively. Option D. We have friendly. Option A, B, cheerful, C, dumb, and D, lively. So the correct answer is lively. A lively person is not reserved. It's a type of person who talks freely. There is dash ventilation in this room. That's why you don't breathe. Why we have option A, few, B, little, C, a few, and D, a little. Okay. Now the correct answer to this question is option B. Option B, little. Okay. Now the word little simply means a bit, hardly any. Option D, a little. Okay, now the difference between these words, little and a little, is in the tone. A little means some, small quantity, some, small quantity, but little means hardly any, a bit. Little has a negative tone, while a little has a positive tone. For example, there's little hope that the patient will survive. There's little hope that the patient will survive. This means that there's hardly any hope that the patient will survive. Now, when I say there is a little hope that the patient will survive, there's a little hope that the patient will survive, it gives a positive tone. It means that there are some chances that the patient might. But when I say little, it means it's almost nothing. is almost nothing, hardly any. Okay, but when you say a little, it means some. Okay, it means you still have some. Okay, so a little gives positive tone, one little gives a negative tone. I hope you can differentiate between these words. This also applies to few and a few. Few has a negative tone while a few has a positive tone. Okay, few means not many. For example, the lecture was cancelled because few students showed up. Okay, it means that the lecture was cancelled because the number of people that showed up is negligible. It's too small for the lecture to hold. Okay, the lecture was cancelled though a few students showed up. Lecture was cancelled though a few students showed up. This means the lecture was cancelled even though some students showed up. Okay, and this implies that the number of students that were present were enough to make the lecture hold. Okay, so few has a negative tone while a few has a positive tone. Let's see another university. We have FUNAB. FUNAB, we have choose the option that is next in meaning to the underlined word or words. The man gave the answer off part, and the underlined words are off part. The expression off part means to know something very well that you don't need to think. You don't need to think before giving the. Now we have option A, obediently, B, grudgingly, C, instantly, and D, vaguely. Now the correct answer to this question is option C, instantly. Okay, instantly. Because off part means to know something very well without having to think before giving the answer. So option C is the correct answer. Now we have the next one. The man's greatest pleasure is to develop latent talent. And latent talent means talents that are undeveloped, talents that are hidden, talents that are yet to be seen. Now, the correct answer to this question, the word that's close in meaning to it is um option A, hidden. Okay, hidden. Latent talent means hidden talent. Now the next question we have mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are ubiquitous there because of bad drainage system. Mosquitoes are ubiquitous there because of bad drainage system. We have option A, rife, B, numerous, C, everywhere, and D, harmful. Now the word ubiquitous means everywhere. When Channels TV says it's ubiquitous, it means that it's everywhere. It's on YouTube, is on Facebook, is everywhere. Okay, so the word ubiquitous means everywhere. So this makes option C the correct answer. Now let's see another question from Funab. It's okay, Daddy. Let's see another question from Funab. We have the villagers run the armed robbers to earth. The villagers found the armed robbers to earth. We have option A, found the armed robbers. B, searched for the armed robbers. C, buried the armed robbers. And D, knocked down the armed robbers. Now, this question reminds me to tell you not to ignore your jump past questions because I've seen a question on this expression in jump past questions. Okay, so please don't ignore your jump past questions as you're preparing for post TME. Okay, now to run someone to earth means to hold to catch the person after searching for the person for a long time, to find the person after searching for the person for a long time. Okay, if you say that the police ran the armed robbers to earth, it means that the police caught the armed robbers after searching for them for a long time. So this sentence simply means that the villagers, after searching for the armed robbers for a long time, finally caught them. So the expression and found the armed robbers, which is in option A, is the correct answer. So option A is the correct answer to this question. All right, guys, I'll have to end this video here. I need to go take care of my baby. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Click on the like button and endeavor to share it to your friends. Make sure you also join me on Facebook because I'm also on Facebook where I give my followers lectures daily. Okay, make sure you follow me on Facebook and keep tabs with this channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.